Welcome dear students, and now let us discuss one division problem. Here this is the very first bit. In the first bit we are going to discuss the second problem and from fourth exercise of polynomials chapter, and the question is we have to divide p of x by g of x. Divide this polynomial by g of x polynomial, then find the quotient and the remainder in each and every problem. And I am taking one of the question, that is second question of the first bit of fourth exercise polynomials chapter. And let us see, already we have discussed in our previous video how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial and what are the steps we are going to follow. Already we have learned in our previous video. Once again, you please try to watch that video and understand that. And once again, the same model question we are going to discuss from exercise problem. In the last video we discussed about an example problem. Now we are going to discuss some exercise problem. Yes, here this is the given polynomial p of x. We have to divide p of x by g of x, right? And first of all, take p of x. What is p of x? That is x to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And this polynomial, we are going to divide this polynomial by this g of x polynomial. What is g of x? This is divisor, this is dividend, this is dividend, and this is divisor, because we are going to divide by this polynomial. You take that polynomial, but before going to take this polynomial, already I told you in the previous video, the given polynomial must be arranged in an descending order of powers. So it should be arranged in proper order. So you know that is the second degree polynomial. What is the second degree polynomial standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c. Constant should be lost. So I take in an order, that is x square minus x and plus 1. So this is the method and the first step. And you know that. What is the process? Already we have discussed in our previous video. We have to follow the steps. In the very first step, already I told you in the previous video, once you check, the first term of the dividend. Always you have to take the first term of the dividend. What is the first term of the dividend? X to the power of 4. This is x to the power of 4. That should be divided by the first term of the divisor. What is the first term of the divisor? X square. Now you simplify, you get some result. X square, this is 2. If you cancel 2 and 2 is left, so therefore finally we get x square is left. We get x square. Now this is called the quotient of the first step. So you take it as first term of the quotient, and this, you know that this quotient should be multiplied by this whole polynomial. Then we should multiply. Okay, start multiplying x square into this polynomial, whole polynomial. Each and every term of the polynomial should be multiplied by x square. Let's start with the first term. X square into x square, that is x to the power of 4. Yes. And x square into minus x, plus into minus, minus x square into x cube. Yes. And x square into 1, x square. Yes. You know that the second expression, the second polynomial, the second result should be subtracted from the first polynomial, above polynomial. When we are going to subtract, you know the procedure. The second expression polynomial terms, their symbols must be changed. It is plus, it becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and plus becomes minus. X to the power of 4, it is plus x to the power of 4, and it is minus x to the power of 4, gets cancelled. And here x cube is there. Is there x cube term in the given dividend? Actually in the dividend, in the given polynomial, there is no x cube. So no problem, you take it as it is, you take it down, and you see the like terms What is the next like terms? X square, they are like terms. But it is minus 3x square and it is minus 1x square. Both are in negative. They become like terms. They are like terms. Also, they belong to same group. That becomes negative number. Both are negative. So we go for addition. Minus, minus. Both are in negative. So minus 3 minus 1, minus 4x square. And you take it down. Next term, 4x. Okay. And coming to the second step. What is the second step? Once again, just to keep in the mind, in each and every step, we have to take the first term of the dividend and that should be divided by the first term of the divisor. What is the first term? X cube divided by x square. So 2 gets cancelled. Out of 3, 2 gets cancelled. 1 is left. 1x is left. 1x is left. That is the second term of the quotient. You know that this quotient should be multiplied by the whole polynomial. Let us multiply x into x square, x cube, x into minus x square, x into 1, that is x, 1x. And yes, it is plus, becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Plus x cube minus x cube gets cancelled. They are like term. Minus 4 plus 1. The symbols are different. So then go for subtraction. Minus 4 plus 1. You take it. You just subtract 1 from 4. You get 3. But 3 is minus 3x square because the big number is in negative. So negative dominates. So therefore you get minus 3x square. Plus 4x minus 1x. 4 minus 1. You get plus 3x. And the last term is left, that is plus 5. And we are going to do the last step of this division. See the last step, that is third step. You know that first term of the dividend and it should be divided by the first term of the divisor. Then gets cancelled. The symbols are very important. While cancelling, what is left? Is it negative number or positive? That you should take very careful. Okay. Minus 3 is left. This is minus 3. Yes, you take it here. Minus 3. Now this minus 3 should be multiplied by the whole polynomial. Minus into plus minus, isn't it? 3 into x square, 3x square. Minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3x. Minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3. And you know that? Just change the symbols of the second expression. Minus becomes plus, becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Minus 3x square plus 3x square. They both get cancelled. Plus 3x minus 3x. Both get cancelled. Plus 5 plus 3. Both are in positive. 5 plus 3 is 8. And it is remainder. And this is quotient. So what is the quotient actually? The quotient is find the remainder and quotient. How we got? You can say, you can write here. We get quotient. What is the quotient? X square plus x minus 3 and the remainder. What is the remainder? 8. Here we no need to verify the Euclid's division algorithm. You no need to verify because it is the first bit of the exercise 4. In the first bit, just simply you have to divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and find the remainder and quotient. Only the results of quotient and remainder. That's it. Okay, let's continue one more question. Yes, let's continue one more question. That is the third question of the first bit, fourth exercise. And here, once again, we have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial. So while taking the given polynomial, this is a fourth degree polynomial. Actually, what is the standard form of fourth degree polynomial? Ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. They should be arranged in descending order of powers. But here we have, actually it is a fourth degree, but fourth power is there, but there is no third power and second. No cube, no square. They both are missing. So to avoid the confusion of students, So I'm going to take the given polynomial. This is dividend. The dividend is going to taken like this: x power 4 and 0x cube. Actually no x cube, but I'm taking because to avoid the confusion of students. And no x square, so 0x square, and minus 5x plus 6. That's it. And now take the dividend, a divisor. So this we are going to divide by this polynomial. This is the divisor. It should be arranged in proper order. We know that already we have discussed in the previous problem. So it should be taken minus x square and constant should be taken at last. And you know that we are going to follow some steps. So follow the steps, then only you will get perfection. You can understand each and every problem. So first step, let's get the first step. What is the first step? First term of the dividend. It should be divided by the first term of the divisor. So here 4 are there, here 2. So if you cancel 2x, we'll get 2 more. So means finally x square is left, but it is minus. So you take as first quotient of this solution is minus x square. This whole minus x square should be multiplied. That should be multiplied by the whole polynomial. One by one. Minus into minus plus x square into x square x to the power of 4. Minus into plus minus 2 into x square 2x square. Minus 2x square. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and this gets cancelled. The both plus is there, minus like terms both get cancelled, and here no x cube term, just a neglect, and here x square, no x square term, only here 2x square is left, that is plus 2x square. And just to take it down, the remaining terms they have to be taken down. And second step, follow the second step. You know that how to solve this. Just take the first term. Always you follow the same method. First term of the dividend in each and every step. First term of the dividend should be divided by the first term of the divisor. X square is left. Only constant is left with a minus symbol. That becomes second term of the quotient. This second term should be multiplied by the whole expression. Minus into minus plus 2 into x square 2x square, minus into plus minus 2 to the 4. So I group like terms because here this is x term. I'm not going to write this 4 just below the x. I have written 4 is a constant. That's why I have written just below the constant. Constant should be grouped. And minus become plus 2x square minus 2x square. Actually there is no x term to subtract from 5x. So only 5x is single term. Just you take it down. And constants are there, two constant terms, plus 6 plus 4. They both belong to same symbol. So positive numbers. So 6 plus 4, 10. Now that's all. Every term of this polynomial dividend has been divided. So the process is finished. So finally we have got this as a remainder and this as quotient. But in the examination, my dear students, the presentation is very important. Before going to start the problem, you write solution SOL, and next write given. What are given polynomials? You take it down, and finally at last just you write what is the answer, what is your solution. Finally here we get quotient minus x square minus 2 and a remainder minus 5x plus 10. If you follow like this, you will get 100% good marks. You can score very good marks. You'll get very good marks. You'll get very good score in mathematics. Presentation is very important. You please try to understand these steps and try to solve the remaining problems, just like example problems or exercise problem. Here very easy. Only the concept is finding the remainder and quotient. No need of verification. No need of using Euclid's division algorithm. So in the next bit also we'll solve some questions. Let us continue the next part.